Painting in the home is an important feature to complete the look and feel of any space, and this light fixture is certainly out of the box. So let's find out what we have made today. First of all, when you get your 3 canvas from Dollar Tree, you need to carefully remove the canvas, but don't throw them away because you may need them at a later time. You also will need to remove the staples that they have put in there to hold the canvas on there. So once you have done all of that, you have 3 canvas of different sizes. Now, the largest one and the medium-sized one are the correct size. However, the smaller one you will need to cut with a saw to make it a little bit smaller so that it will fit inside the medium-sized frame. After you do that, you will have holes, and so the frames will look like wormwood. But what you will do is you will get some spackling from Dollar Tree and you will just fill in all of the holes. After it dries, then you will need to get a sanding block from Dollar Tree and just slightly sand it so that it is all smooth. After that is done, you will want to drill a hole with everything lined up through all 3 frames, all the way through. You want to make the opening large enough so that you can insert a 2.5 to 3 inch screw so that it barely is visible on the last frame as you look at it when you turn it upside down. Now you are on to painting the frames. So you have to decide how you want it painted, the colors you want it painted, then you will get started. I decided to use black, white, and gold. However, you can use any color that you choose. I chose acrylic paint, but you could spray paint it if you wanted to, but it's much easier to use the acrylic paint. So after they're all painted, you're going to wait till it dries, and then you're going to twist that 2.5 to 3 inch screw into all of your frames. And you want to make sure that it is fairly firm so that when you spread the 3 frames apart from each other, you will have some type of interesting structure there. So now you will want to get your other supplies ready. Now, I used a LED hanging lamp. However, I took the shade off of the LED hanging lamp so that all I had was just the bulb and the apparatus that you could turn the light on and turn it off. I did paint that black, and then because I had used a soldering iron to remove the shade, it made it a little bit jagged. So in order to cover that up, I got some jute and hot glued the jute all around and just painted the very top. Now, in order to attach this to your last small frame, you will need to find a 1 Woodcraft cube to attach that to the bulb, and then that block goes to the smallest frame. Now, I tried several types of glue to get it to adhere to your light fixture. I used E6000, that really didn't work that well, so I removed that, and I tried wood glue, and that really wasn't doing the job either, so I ended up using reptile adhesive, and within minutes it adhered, and by the morning it was airtight. And so I got the garden chain, or the plant hanger chain, from Dollar Tree, and it is wonderful. It already has the hook, it already has the black chain, and so what I ended up doing is getting 2 eye screws, And I put one in, but it made it kind of lopsided, so I ended up putting two in there, and that worked perfectly. And you have a fabulous light. It could be a night light. Use it anywhere in your home. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, and you can twist them any way you want. This is why you're going to put the screw in the middle so that you can move them. I would love to see you make one similar or the same as this one. Tag me and let me see what you come up with. If you like what you have seen today, please like, comment, save, and subscribe.